Make it really light. Nobody will know. Just very minimal. Dolls, it's your girl American Gyaru, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be opening up the Nomakenolife box today, and from there I will create an inspired makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. Boom! Starting with the first item, we have a perfect whip, which I believe this is a face wash, but since I've already washed my face and moisturized it, I won't be using her today. But I just love seeing this brand in like Japanese drugstores locally. So I've always wanted to try it because I've heard good things about it, and now I get to. It's suitable for all skin types, and it cleans pores and removes makeup. Simple enough and so cute. The next thing, okay, yes. They are known for also their face masks. So we got a Vita C face mask. We also have another face mask. This is a peptide, and we love peptides. Yes. Plump the baby out. So since I have two, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to, I'm gonna add the vitamin C to the giveaway. So it's giveaway time, dolls. And here you go, if you want to get to yourself and try out the vitamin C. So vitamin C is so lovely. It protects you from all the free radicals. When you gotta release toxins, this is a really great product to have. So I'm gonna add that to the giveaway. I'm a little disappointed for this month's box. Why? Well, why not? These are products that I can get from the dollar store. So I'm just like, what? Why? Well, I actually got this, and I just gave this eyeshadow slash blush in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So thank you so much, dolls, for subscribing. And if you haven't, don't forget to join the doll community by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Here we go. We have another giveaway. I'm going to add this to the giveaway. We have now 2 items already from this video in the giveaways. And hello, so we have a 3 colors eyeshadow, which is awesome. This is gonna go really perfect with my top today as I run my errands. So yeah, this is an eyeshadow, and I will be using this in our little inspired makeup look today. So stay tuned if you want to see what inspired makeup look I will be creating. Dark brown liquid liner. Oh, I don't know, dolls. I'm more of a black liquid liner. So maybe I'll be different, and I will go ahead and use it in today's video. But it's really hard to say. I'm really not feeling brown, but I'm trying to get myself out. And as you know, we do a lot of experiments here on this channel. Oh, and I'm super excited. I haven't heard about this. So this is Key Factory. I love the new colors. I'm seeing a lot of the burnt oranges. I've even seen that in my last BoxyCharm box. Definitely going to be using that today in creating the look. So for those dolls who don't want to stick around for that look, let me go ahead and do some swatching. Like this. All the different colors that they have. So again, very natural. I love the square case. It's very clean. I love clean things. And these 2 colors. Wow, this is really pretty. So how does this work? Oh wow, look at that. Wow, this is a very different color. I am excited, super excited to try this out. Wow, very different. It's a very light lipstick, very moisturized. So it's not like a MAC lipstick or anything. I normally do like matte lipsticks. And here's a more matte lipstick. So there we go. Ooh, I love that color. Awesome! So I'm really excited. Probably going to use this one in the makeup look today. And the last item that we have is Volume Fantasy Mascara. So here you go, dolls. This is really cute. This is mascara in a bottle. So now I've seen mascara twice in a subscription box. I think this is just mascara season. But however, as cute as this is, let's talk a little bit about the mascara, because I am going to be giving this in today's giveaway. I can't believe it. This is actually June box. My bad. Here's a sneak peek. Or I don't know when this video will come out, but all right, so we got the June giveaways. Here we go. And let's talk a little bit about this mascara in a tube. It's called Dodo Volume Fantasy, And yep, it's get bold lashes easily with a long-lasting and glossy formula containing silk amino acid, soybean seed extract, and tea leaf water. So the curved brush allows the shape of your eyes so there's no clumping and no lash guests left behind. Huge giveaway in this video, so I think June's gonna be fun. What do you dolls think? So don't forget to subscribe if you like these kinds of things. Okay, without further ado, I want to go ahead and get started in today's makeup look because I have a busy day ahead and I'm sure you dolls do too. So I don't want to bore ya. This is the newest foundation that I have been using. I got this from a Japanese mart as well. It's called Beautiful. There's only one shade and I was scared that it would not match my skin, but it worked out. It blended in nicely. It was very light and it just perfects the skin. Move it outwards for blending. So you can see that it's runny, but it covers up. So this is my new favorite foundation, especially if you're doing like no makeup looks. Very bright face, it's very flawless, it does have a dewy look, and this was only $7. Okay, and then I'm just using up this bottle here. I love this, it's my favorite concealer. This is the Double Duty Beauty Tarte. This is my brush, and I'm using the Cocoa Gold Mist. This is from the Beauty Crop, so I just love the pretty pink bottle. I got this brush also from Gyaru. I also like to do the bottom of my chin. Extra. And pull it down by the neck, because you know, when you have like sagging skin, then on the bottom it's kind of like annoying. So I've been using this number 7 firm, skin firm, and it also has SPF daily moisturizer, and that's a wonderful product. Now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So this is really pretty. I love the color. So it even comes with a little plastic. As cheap as it is, I appreciate the little detail of that. And it's got sparkles and it's got blush. So this actually wasn't from the box. My bad. That's the eyeshadow. But I swear it's like almost the same colors. This was from the Nomakenolife box. This is the eyeshadow. Comes with an eyeshadow brush. Let's get her open. All right, I'm very inspired to go back to Daiso. Who doesn't love Daiso? Who loves Daiso? The Japanese dollar store. Let me know in the comments. Oh, there you go. So it's like light lavender. It's got very light pink and like the I start off in the middle. Oh, let me swatch that. Oh, it's actually iridescent. Okay, not bad. Just gonna build it up there. Okay, so it's really pretty. It opens up the eye. We like a good pink. And I forgot to put eyeshadow base. I'm pretty sure the colors, even without the eyeshadow base, is still good. But what's even better is that these products are literally $1, and you know what? It makes me really wonder, like, oftentimes, like, about all these name brand things. It just really is the name, I think. All I care about, if you're like me, is like the results. It's got the purple, very light. It's got little sparkles in them. It's not so, it does show up, but very light. The pigment on that is really nice. I'm going to put that in the corner of my eyeballs and add still a little bit more pink to bring it out. And I'm actually going to pull out the pink a little bit more. And I'm nervous to use this eyeliner. Here's the pen felt tip. So she works. I like to draw the eyeliner outwards. By doing so, it just makes your eye even more open. And then I like to put my eyeliner from the inner corner, and then I like to bring it out. And I like to draw a little bit outside of the line there. As you can see. Oh, I can't forget, white eyeliner. That's a staple for the Gyaru look. Okay, so I just got this eyebrow pencil from, I think it was my BoxyCharm. Yeah, my BoxyCharm. It's like a brown color. I was using a grayish color before, but I like some thick eyebrows because it makes me look more youthful. And I just want to blend it out with this brush. So with Gyaru, a lot of them, from when I was growing up, they always had like lots of blonde hair, and they would bleach their eyebrows. This is not like, this is like a light brown mascara, so I can do that if I want to lighten the eyebrow instead of actually like bleaching it. Plus my eyebrows are already like tattooed anyway with permanent makeup. Snatch it together. So I have this. So I'm kind of intrigued. I really wanted to try like a blush, but I'm gonna blend them together because I know purple blush is gonna wash me out. Let's have some fun though. So I'm gonna like mix it together. Sprinkles. I feel like a cupcake. That's really up my eyeball. Okay, so alrighty then. So now I'm looking like a scary cupcake raccoon. So I'm gonna just blend it out. Not a problem. Make it really light. Nobody will know. Just very minimal. So, I know what this color is like. I'm just gonna apply it. Oh wow, it applies very nicely. Wow, this is a really good brand. This is a really nice Kide Factory. Wow, this lipstick goes on really smooth. I love the color too, dolls. Ah, this is a beautiful lipstick. Oh wow, this is a good brand. This is a great brand lipstick. It's amazing. I had dry, chappy lips and it still went on smoothly fine. It covers it up nicely. Beautiful color too, so really pretty. I love it. I love this eyeliner though. I do like how it actually dries as like a dark brown, not a light brown, so I like that. Oh, my favorite lipsticks for the season right here. So that was really fun. I would say overall the box was like meh, just because I know that the Why Not products itself are something that I can get already, and I know they can get them at the dollar store, so it wasn't really thrilling at all because, you know, I don't know, if I'm gonna pay, you know, the amount for the box as well as the $12 box fee, this would probably be like one of my least favorite boxes that I've had in Nomakenolife, and I'm coming up to my year anniversary, and then I think I'm going to take a break from the Nomakenolife. I love their cute items, but I'll see, we'll talk about it. But dolls, always so much fun. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you. Don't forget the giveaways, so always stay tuned and hit the notification bell for new giveaways throughout the month. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for all your love and support for this wonderful channel. It is growing, and I'm so grateful all to you dolls. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day or night.